And of course, right by the alligator sign, which, wouldn't influence our opinion at all.
Okay, we just found a very interesting place just off the highway. Hey, guess what? We're dumping again, but we're in a different location. We are in Florida now.
My sister and her family just moved to Sarasota, and we were able to time our Florida domicile visit with her move-in date. We stayed at Oscar Scherer State Park when we were helping, but honestly didn't get enough time to really check the campground out. One thing we do know is that this campground is not for bigger rigs. The turns are sharp and there are many low-lying trees throughout the campsites. The park was well kept, beautiful, and within reasonable distance of Sarasota. I have a feeling we'll be staying here again in the future. The group of sites we stayed in was right on the river, but note that you cannot have pets on these sites. Guess they're trying to prevent a National Geographic moment while folks are on vacation. Good idea. Hello, squirrel. You haven't moved much. Are you gonna go somewhere? Just gonna chill there? Oh, you're so tiny. Little tiny one. Look at you. During our stay, we spent a good deal of time at the depot, as well as at my sister's, helping with getting the house set up. Most nights, we were getting back to the campground well after dark, but they provided a code to get in after hours. Us being native to Illinois, we know all about Alligator Tracks. But I'm wondering if this was it. The table has been moved. This was straight before. And I don't know. This was all pine needles, and now you got like this weird, all this dirt is picked up in the area. Just weird. And of course, right by the alligator sign, which, wouldn't influence our opinion at all.
We're recording this today since getting in here was difficult. I'm sure that getting out is even going to be more challenging. Watch that branch up there. It's going to be a fun one. just to give a better perspective, if you look at the stab legs, we are really, really off on this one. So we're gonna have fun getting on the truck. We were smarter coming in this time. I was literally on the roof with like a half an inch. When we moved over a little bit, we had about 2 inches.
Well, we're back on the road and decided to drive on the Tampa toll road since it looked cool in the Google Maps. But because we're carrying our house on our truck, we thought it was wise not to go into downtown. But we did enjoy the views on those long bridges.
Well, that's pretty cool. Okay, we just found a very interesting place just off the highway. We're headed north on the south side, and there's this place called Crate, and it's actually because all of these places are built out of sea containers. Lots of little shops, a lot of them food, not all though. And what a fun little vibe, and it's right next to some outlet malls. I'll make sure to put the location in the description, but this is pretty awesome. We ended up stopping here for lunch. Quite good. Alrighty. It's such a cool little vibe. And of course, adequate parking, even for our big rig. Or maybe not so big. Big truck camper rig.
Thanks for sticking around with us, and we hope you join us next week when we explore the Chesahowitzka River area. For those of you who have subscribed to our channel, we thank you for supporting us. And if you haven't, we'd really appreciate it if you do. See you next week.
Can you stop for a second? I'm assuming